Hello guys and welcome back to PocketRockets. Yes, it is the first video and I finally feature this baby in a video. Today I have my friend Jarvis with me. He's from a company called JCW Wraps and he's going to be fitting the sunstrip today because, as you all know, I put a roll cage in a car and that's actually caused it to have no sun visors in there anymore, so I get blinded everywhere I go. So my friend here is now going to help me put a sunstrip in, and I thought I'd put together a video of how he actually does it. So introduce yourself, Jarvis.
I'm Jarvis, I run JCW Wraps, and Chris called me out today, special on a Sunday, don't work Sundays usually, but made an exception, so
special treatment.
Fit a sunstrip for him.
So yeah, now we're going to go into the step-by-step with Jarvis, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Right, step one, obviously first, clean it down, most important bit. Right, next step, we're going to measure a little bit further down. I usually go about 18 centimetres. Go a little bit lower. We go for 25 centimetres, just accept the middle there. Right, this is 3M knifeless cutting tape. Some people just lay down some strips with a flat edge. Don't like to do that because you can get a perfect cut with this.
So this is basically to ensure that I don't have a wonky sunstrip, isn't it?
Pretty much, yeah. Right, this should be bang on then.
So now we have a straight, consistent line from the left to the right of the screen. Definitely a great technique to use.
I'm using gloss black KPMF for this sunstrip. It's great vinyl. I'm not too keen on using sign writing vinyl because it doesn't come out as great. So if you use actual vinyl, I find that it comes out a lot better and smoother. Because it's gloss black, I'm going to be doing a wet application. So it stops any scratches or anything, so it comes out perfectly just flat black. You can use water, but I like to use a bit of glass cleaner so it doesn't dry out as quickly. So you can keep a consistent wet squeegee without having to drop your vinyl all the time, so just splash it with a bit of water. I'd never put water directly onto the vinyl.
And what's the guarantee on the product in terms of like?
If the sunstrip's fitted properly, 5 years, 7 years. If you go to Halfords and get like a little bit of vinyl sunstrip, wouldn't last anywhere near as long. So I'd always recommend getting a good quality sunstrip.
Yeah, probably 10 minutes at last, wouldn't it?
If you're lucky. Right, and the trick is, move this back, it's wet, literally just glides.
The reason why I chose gloss over matte, which Jarvis gave me the option over, was more because the car is gloss itself, so I didn't really want to mismatch the texture of the wrap itself on the sunstrip, so that's the reason why I went for gloss, and I think it's coming out quite well.
I'm OG, y'all new to the game, new.
So you have to be careful if you're fitting it yourself, because if you hit it too low, it does fail your MOT regulations.
Which I didn't know, to be fair. Which is quite common sense, because you don't want to be having it all the way halfway down the screen and you can't see
it
out of it.
It varies from car to car as well, so
yeah.
Usually if your wiper blades hit it, or I usually hit it around 18 centimetres, which is usually just above your wipers.
Yeah.
Yeah, always be careful. Boom, there you have it.
Wicked. Now that looks wicked. Much better. So now I don't get blinded and I can see where I'm going. But thank you, my man Jarvis.
That's right,
no problems. There he goes, the legend himself. So in terms of booking, how do you go about booking?
I've got a Facebook page.
Which I will leave the links down in the description, or you can look at his t-shirt.
Drop me a message. Sunstrip's a pretty quick thing. You can probably message us on the same day and we can get it booked in straight away. Obviously things like roofs and full wraps is a little bit more booking involved in that, but yeah, just drop us a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. We're pretty busy at the moment, so give me a bit of time to respond because we're getting a lot of messages, but yeah, just let me know.
Yeah. No, thank you very much, Jarvis. But there we have it.
Anytime.
The new Sunstrip now on my EP3. And I will be doing a video properly with this car, but it's just finding the right time and the weather as well. But no, it looks fab. Big thanks to Jarvis for that. And as I said, I will leave the links in the description below. Comment if you like it, and most importantly, make sure you subscribe for more. Cheers, guys.